recording.
Alright, let's see if this works.
As usual, the dog's in the way.
Friday's endless apps are back. Only this time, it's for good. Endless apps just got endlesser. Always endless
That
apps.
moves the same.
Always Friday.
At Nature Valley, we know that you have to put good in here.
You gotta put it in a specific angle. I know, it's kind of annoying.
Real good energy. Real delicious energy. Nature Valley granola bars. Just good.
If you didn't know already, the word Texas means friend. Like any good friend, we'll show you where to go. What to see? And a few hidden secrets along the way. Texas like a local. Explore it and other surprises at traveltexas.com.
It's the final week of the President's Day sale at Ashley Home
Wow.
Store.
Did it seriously just move?
Store-wide, and your choice of
Wow, that actually worked. Holy crap.
savings. Your choice 5-piece bedroom wall for just $6.99.
I thought that was like, would just be cheap.
Bedroom for just $4.99, and your choice 5-piece living room wall for just $13.99. Or get 5 years.
Ladies
no
and
interest.
gentlemen,
For a limited time, get 8
it
years
works.
no interest on mattresses from Tempur-Pedic and Serta iComfort, starting at just
Sweet.
$25 per month. Only in America's
Thank you.
#1 furniture and